Welcome to another video tutorial on how to use Foremost Capital's database of commodity trading advisors. This video will show you how to search the master list and filter it based on your criteria. Once you've logged into the database, on top of the list, find this gray button that says click here to search by investment criteria. Once you click that, it will open a window to pick your specific investment criteria. Let's go through a brief explanation of what these are and then do a search as an example. Trading methodology refers to whether or not a CTA uses algorithms in a systematic way or is purely discretionary. Trading style refers to how do they execute their strategy. Are they looking at trends? Are they looking at options and so forth? 3-year statistics refers to various performance metrics over a 3-year period. If I want to know how many CTAs have had at least 20% annual rate of return over the last 3 years, this is where I can choose that criteria. Investment size refers to the minimum investment account size that a CTA needs in order for them to manage your account. Assets under management is just that. How many assets does the CTA manage across all the accounts that they manage? Sub-strategies is a subcategory of the trading style that we already looked at. If you know what type of sub-strategy you really prefer in a CTA, you can find it among this list. Holding period refers to how long does your CTA hold their trades on average. Market segment really refers to what market sector in the futures world does your CTA trade in. Finally, other limits refers to things outside of trading per se, whether or not they have an NFA registration, whether or not they operate under an exemption, which means they will only cater to investors who match the qualified eligible person definition. If you want to know if you qualify as an eligible person, we have a video explaining that definition as well. Now let's do a quick example search. Let's say I want to find CTAs who have made at least 20% a year on average, but will take an account at $100,000 or less. So here's where I go. I want to limit the account size, the investment size, by $100,000 as a minimum starting balance or less. So I come to this drop-down menu and select 100,000, and then I come to the 3-year statistics and scroll this bar over to 20%. This will show me only CTAs that have gained on average 20% or more over the last 3 years annually. And now I click Filter CTA List based on the criteria that I've predetermined. Oh, by the way, let's exclude based on non-NFA members as well. Because if they're a non-NFA member, we probably can't use them anyways. Filter CTA List. And here's the list. Now we have a much smaller list from which to research and analyze. It made our jobs much easier. It made your job much easier as you consider the data now of these specific CTAs and whether or not they match what you're looking for from a risk and reward standpoint. As always, I would direct your attention to the very top of the screen to the phone number. Give one of our specialists a call. This is what we do day in, day out, and we'd love to show you our own research and give you our opinions on what CTAs may be a fit for your goals. Thanks for watching.